Okay, for dinner tonight, I'm doing Italian beef grinders. And my ingredients are 10 ounces of ground beef, 2 sandwich rolls, 3/4 a cup of milk, 4 ounces of cremini mushrooms, 1 yellow onion, pepperoncini, 3 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, and 2 ounces of aged cheddar white cheese. Okay, I've sliced my mushrooms and I'm putting it in my pan with a couple tablespoons of olive oil. Stir that up a little bit. Okay. Next, I'm going to slice up half of my yellow onion and add that. Okay, my onions have been cooking for, my mushrooms have been cooking for like 5 minutes. Now I'm going to add my onion. Now, the recipe called for a whole onion. I'm only putting in half onion because that's still a lot of onion to me, so I'm only doing half the yellow onion. It was a pretty big yellow onion. So I'll save that for a breakfast omelet or something. That's what I usually do. If I have leftover stuff, I make something for breakfast. Now I'm going to add salt and pepper to this, and I'm going to cook the onion and the mushrooms for about another 5 minutes. Okay, here's a pepperoni. I have half a dozen of them. I'll probably only use half. I'll see. And leave the rest for, like I said, a breakfast, but it calls for 6 of them. Anyway, I'm going to start slicing that up. Okay, I'm now going to add my ground beef. And I'm going to break that up. Okay, I've added my ground beef. I've chopped it up pretty good. Now I'm going to add salt and pepper. Okay, while my ground beef continues to cook, I am going to grate my cheese. Okay, here's my grated cheese. Okay, while my ground beef continues to cook, I've added 2 tablespoons of olive oil to this pot, and I'm going to get that heated up. Okay, now that my pot of boiling water is hot, hold on, I got to add my flour. Okay. Sorry, I need 2 hands. I'm going to whisk that quick in here. And then I'm going to start adding some milk. Alright. Turn it down a little bit. Here, I turned it off. Making a mess with the milk. I got a little Organics Valley milk pack. This is going to make a cheese sauce. I hope it turns out alright. If it doesn't, well, then I'll just be putting the cheese on by itself. So, alright, I'm going to continue to add the milk, and I'll get back to you. Okay, I got my oven back on. I'm continuing to mix my milk and flour, and I'm going to add in 1/4 cup of water. Keep stirring it. The meat's almost done. Okay, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to bring this to a boil on high and then down low to a simmer. Turn down my meat. Okay, so just let that stay like that. I have off. It'll stay warm till I'm ready for it. Okay, it's starting to come to a boil. I'm also going to add some salt and pepper. Okay, it came to a boiling. It's on low, and I'm going to keep stirring it for about 5 minutes. Okay, it's been roughly 5 minutes, so I'm going to start adding my cheese to the mix. Okay, everything's pretty much done. Just added the cheese, stirred around a little bit. I'm now ready to plate my food. Okay, there it is. I'm sure it's gonna be like super duper messy. So anyway, that's my cheesesteak. Italian cheesesteak grind. Oh, I forgot to hold on, I forgot to add something. I forgot to add my peppers. So there it is. Yummy and delicious. So